Fall HVAC Maintenance Checklist. It's time to turn your air conditioner off and get cozy. But is your HVAC system ready for winter? Take the following HVAC maintenance steps this fall. Clear pans and drain lines. Get rid of standing water and check for blockages in the drain lines. Clean the coils. Grimy coils can corrode, leading to refrigerant leaks and reduced efficiency. Check and replace air filters. Do this regularly to maintain proper airflow and reduce system strain. Check the refrigerant. If your refrigerant is low, you may have a leak. Get it inspected and repaired before the height of the cold season. Inspect the ducts. Humidity can make debris build up in dirty ducts during the summer months. Have them inspected and cleaned to breathe easier. Contact A1 Refrigeration and Air Conditioning at 409-207-1719 to keep your system in great shape throughout the year.